Hello everybody, Bruce here. I'm going to show you a little bit about the what's called try except. Okay, try except, and the reason, as you're going to see shortly, that try except is a good thing is it prevents the program, say, from crashing or erroring out in a way that you don't want to, right? So you're able to, say, try an operation, right? Whether it's reading a file, performing some math, or doing something, and then if something goes wrong, you can catch it, right? And stop the normal behavior of Python from throwing that, red message of death, right? So I have a simple program here. It's a function called main. It defines three variables, two variables, x and y. And guess what, right? We're going to create this new variable z, and we're going to say take x and divide it by y, and I think you all know what's going to happen, right? It's going to get an error because you can't divide by 0, right? So when I run this program, you can see here, bottom up, right? 0 division error, division by 0, okay? So just take a look at that for a second. Again, 0 division error, okay? So that's not what we want to show our friendly user, right? So I rewrote this. Don't look at the stuff down here yet. Okay, let's push that down, okay? So let's focus up here. It's the same program, x equals 20, y equals 0, and then we throw these keywords, these Python keywords around it, right? Try, T-R-Y colon, and then one or more statements. Try to do this stuff, right? Try to run it. And if an exception happens, right, and as you saw before, right, we had a 0 division error. So when you get the exception, 0 division error, then print out, hey, you can't divide by 0. So they won't get that red, that red message of death there, right? So I did a couple more down here. Let me bring them back up so you can see them. And I'm trying to print the variable a, and I think you all know, right, there is no variable a in my code at this time, right? There's nothing, right? So this is what they call a name error, okay? And to see that error, you could try to run it without the try except and see what's going on, right? So, we're going to say variable not defined, right? Okay, so we put that in the exception. Okay, let me show you another one here. Try, and then math square root of 9. Now, do you see any, import math here? No, okay? So I have a generic exception handler here with no specific type of error, okay? With no specific type of error. So what's going to happen is no matter what, if something goes wrong here, it's just going to throw a generic exception. So let me run this. We should actually see 3 errors, right? Whoops, I have a mistake. There we go. You can't divide a number by 0, right? That is this thing right here. And then the next one is variable not defined, right? Right there. And math square root, okay? Something went wrong, okay? You can actually combine these two. So if you wanted to put like a generic exception here and just say print something went wrong, right? You could do that as well. So it's kind of like an if statement with ls, okay? Same type of thing, okay? I hope this video helped. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.